This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDFs on your Android phone. First, open the PDF document you need to sign. Many Android devices come with a default PDF viewer that includes annotation tools. If not, you might need to download a free app from the Google Play Store. Look for options like Markup or Fill and sign within your current PDF viewer to begin the process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth signing experience. Once your PDF is open, locate the Fill and Sign or Markup option, often represented by a pen or signature icon. Tap on it to activate the signature tool. You can then draw your signature directly onto the screen using your finger or a stylus. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can usually resize, move, or even delete and redraw it. This method is quick and convenient for immediate signing needs. For more advanced features, or if your device lacks built-in tools, consider a third-party app like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Zoto. Download and install one from the Google Play Store. Open your PDF within the chosen app, then navigate to its Fill and Sign section. Here, you can often create a new signature by drawing, typing your name, or even importing an image of your signature. These apps offer greater flexibility and control. After successfully signing your PDF, the next vital step is to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button, often located in the top right or bottom of the screen. It's a good practice to save a copy to ensure the original document remains untouched. Once saved, you can easily share the signed PDF via email, messaging applications, or cloud storage services. Always confirm the recipient can open the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.